We're back again here at the headquarters of Nomad, and I'm so excited for the next month. We have none other than Chris with Finch Barbecue. This guy is so dope. This dude has worked at some of the heavy hitter barbecue joints, but besides that, he's created this rub and sauce all by himself at the casa, started out at farmers markets, graduated to Central Market, direct to market. You can get it on his website, and now we have it at BBQ Distro, and so excited for him to be part of this month box. You're gonna learn 2 things from him, and I cannot wait. We're literally backyard.
That's what
AC. We're serving Zavala barbecue. This is live. It's unbelievable.
Golden, brown, and delicious. That's what we all call you.
Let's go, baby. Chris, how are you doing?
I'm doing great, man.
God, man, I am so excited to have you here.
Thank you.
Like, I've been watching your story. Like, I know you were doing barbecue, but like, what are some of the spots? Like, I remember you were at Terry Black's, Smoke Sessions, and like, working there, and I know you were getting your butt kicked at Terry Black's.
Yes.
Like, that's hundreds, 200s, 300s of brisket a day. Like, how did you have time to make a rub, make a sauce, and not just one rub, 2, 3 rubs, right? Is that what you're up to?
3 rubs.
And like 3 barbecue sauces?
Yes.
Like, that's insane. Like, tell me about that.
So the sauces came first. We started making our original sauce in our kitchen probably 2017, 2018. So
it's been a while.
Yeah, we've been doing it a long time. 2017 is actually when I first started doing any type of barbecue. So
let me get this right. So you said, I'm gonna make a sauce. I've never done barbecue before, and you're at one of the largest retailers, Fine Foods in Texas.
Yes, now, yeah.
Like, that's insane, you know that, right?
Yeah, it's pretty crazy.
So what's the first step we're doing on this burger?
All right, so first thing we're gonna do is get the onions, caramelized.
Cool.
So we've got a little cast iron here. We put some olive oil in it, and we've got some onions, and we're just gonna pretty much add these in. And so
let's go.
These are just like onion string style.
There you go.
And then once we get these in, we're just gonna hit them with a little bit of beef rub.
You can smell it. I can actually smell your rub in it.
Yeah.
That's so cool.
It's nice.
I'm not crying.
Okay, it's not that. So we're gonna let those go. And so kind of while those are going a little bit, we're gonna get the patty started. So we already got these laid out, got a little bit of oil on them. And then we're just gonna hit it with some more beef rub.
And do not be shy.
Yeah.
Hit it with a lot.
Yeah, you can be really generous.
How do you like your burger?
So
it's okay. So you can.
Yeah.
I probably know where you're going. So
burgers, I like well done. But
me too.
Steaks, I'm a medium rare guy.
Yeah.
And the reason I like it well done is just because when you get into ground meat, you get all the bacteria and stuff from the top of the meat that gets ground in with everything else. And so you really, in my opinion, food-wise, safety-wise, you want a well done burger.
Safety first.
Yeah.
So we're gonna go, what do you think? 5 minutes each side?
Yeah, I think that's a good one. We may get up underneath there and make sure it's not sticking here in just a minute and kind of turn it.
Cool.
And that's about
what
it.
I'm talking about. We're gonna let these get some love in, and we'll be right back. Look at them juices coming out of that burger. That's what I'm talking about. Bro, these onions. Is that what you're looking for right there?
Yes, yeah, the onions are at a perfect spot right now.
Is that GBD?
I don't know what that is, but it's looking good.
Mr. Patrick Feegis told me I was golden brown delicious. That's what it looks like.
Yeah, okay. We'll do that. So we just got some sauerkraut here. We're just gonna throw that into the pan. Yeah, and I'm just gonna kind of thin that out all over.
Do you throw some beef rub in there too?
Yes.
Beef rub, beef rub, beef rub, beef rub.
So we're just gonna hit this with some beef rub.
That's awesome.
And not a whole lot on this, because that really takes on a lot of that flavor from the beef rub. So you really don't need a lot when it comes to like vegetables.
Cool.
So what we're gonna do now is I'm just gonna eyeball, and we're just gonna throw some barbecue sauce into the sauerkraut.
Whoa, you didn't tell me you were doing this.
Yeah, we're just kind of cooking on the fly. This is backyard stuff. I don't know what I'm doing. I like a lot of caramelized onions.
Do it. This is the Finch style. Everybody's gonna be just do the Finch.
Is that
burger?
No. Y'all can do what y'all want. All right, there we go.
That is sexy.
That looks pretty good, right?
Yes.
All right.
This is like, came out beautifully, the color.
So now we're just gonna get in here. And I'm just gonna put this right on that.
Vic, where you at? Hardest working man barbecue.
And then that's how we do it. A little bit of sauce on there.
Bro, what is going on, brother? Look at this.
What's up? What's up? What's up? What is this?
We got a burger.
Okay.
That was grilled on a Nomad. Do you know what Nomad is?
I think I do. Yeah.
There's beef rub on the burger.
Beef rub on the burger. Okay.
There's caramelized onions with beef rub.
Is that sauerkraut?
There's
It is.
sauerkraut with beef rub.
Dude.
And some habanero sweet barbecue.
Sweet.
Yes, yeah,
Habanero
sweet
sweet
habanero.
Okay.
And beef rub. And
You want
mayo.
me to eat it?
I need you to take a bite.
Yes, please.
It doesn't matter.
Yeah, they're the same.
Here we go.
Look at this. Look at this. How amazing is it?
It's so hot. But
Chris, you actually, actually,
It is pretty hot, I'm
it's
sure.
really good though, man. Wow, that sauce.
That turned out pretty
are
good.
you gonna
Came out
still,
amazing.
You're gonna still it? We should do it.
I'm gonna do the whole burger.
Yeah.
I hope so.
You want